Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The quantitative aptitude of the QA section this year round seemed to be a little bit on the difficult side that as compared to previous year. That is the kind of question that we were asked this year round were more difficult as compared to the ones that is they required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter, and also they actually were more time consuming and more calculation intensive. Okay, having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is we'll be taking a question from the paper itself, in this case a question of profit and loss, and subsequently try and solve the question so that whenever we come across questions such as this, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so with all that said and done, let's focus on the question in front of us. The profit made on selling 20 meter of cloth is equal to the selling price of 5 meter of cloth. Find the profit percentage. Okay, so it's given that profit of 20 meter is equal to selling price of 20 meter. Okay, now we know profit is given by selling price of 20 meter minus cost price of 20 meter equal to selling price of 5 meter, sorry my bad, price of 5 meter. Okay, so therefore we can further see selling price of 20 meter minus selling price of 5 meter equal to cost price of 20 meter, or selling price of 15 meter is equal to cost price of 20 meter. Okay, now let us assume let cost price of 1 meter equal to rupees 1. So therefore CP of 20 meter will be equal to rupees 20. So therefore selling price of 15 meter will be equal to 20. Now if we talk about profit and loss percentage, so profit in this case will be selling price of 15 meter minus cost price of 15 meter by cost price of 15 meter into 100. Okay, so here CP of 15 meter will be rupees 15. So in this case we have 20 minus 15 by 15 into 100, or 1 by 3 into 100. That is profit is equal to 33.33%, which is our answer. So I hope it is clear how we came forward with the approach of the same. So in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to the question, I'll go through the video. It was again more or less a very straightforward kind of question. Okay. Having said that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to contacting us, like our website URL, our email IDs, and also our numbers for call, text, or WhatsApp. Feel free to connect with us, even if you have any kind of doubt with respect to your competitive exam preparation, or any subject or any concept or any topic or doubt that you need help with. Feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. So if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. We'll be continuing our discussion on similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.